I'd like to discuss an increasingly popular platform, DHgate, and explain why it may not be the best choice for your purchase, particularly when it comes to replica footwear and similar products. While DHgate might seem appealing to its variety and perceived affordability, the reality is that many buyers end up paying more for items of significantly lower quality. In my experience and in that of others, the materials used are often substandard. Examples include cracked leather, inaccurate colors, and missing textures. Moreover, the platform's design limits transparency, as sellers cannot display authentic product photo due to legal restriction, making it difficult to know exactly what you're buying. Another major concern is customer service. On DHgate, each seller manages their own support, which often leads to inconsistent and unreliable experience. Refunds and quality checks are rarely offered, and many users have reported receiving defective product with no recourse. In contrast, purchasing through a professional agent like Kami or Kakolpi provides a more consistent and supportive customer experience. These agents offer detailed quality control images, direct communication, and optional insurance, ensuring your purchase are protected in the event of loss or seizure. While DHgate does offer a wide selection, the same if not better variety is available through agent spreadsheets, often at lower prices and better quality. Some may worry about shipping costs or the learning curve of using an agent, but many services now offer first-time coupons and simple tutorials that makes the process accessible. Ultimately, if you value your money and want a better shopping experience, I highly recommend exploring this alternative.